That the respondents in custody for 21 days so as to facilitate comprehension of the investigation.
I also take into consideration the offense for which the IO has stated that after completion of investigations would place a charge of murder contrary to Section 203 and Section 204 of the Penal Code. I've also taken into consideration, as I said earlier, to Articles 29 and Articles 49. My decision is hinged upon Articles 243 all through to 245 of the Constitution. I've also considered the provisions of Article 58 of, I've also considered the provisions of Section 58 of the National Police Service Act, which provides provides for powers to arrest by the police. Further, I take careful consideration of the fact that the general welfare of the public is disturbed by the death of the deceased in this matter. It is in the best interest of justice that I allow the prosecution to hold the suspect for 21 days. You have 14 days written of appeal. The suspect will be held at Eldoret Central Police Station for 21 days. We mentioned the matter on 24th of January 2024 before court started.
I'm investigating a case of...
So, before we proceed, kindly, what the typed ruling?